Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube video today, and today I want to talk about something super interesting, the Akash Network. Now if you're watching this video and you've ever used cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud, you know that they can be expensive and sometimes a bit limiting. So this is where Akash comes in. Akash is a decentralized cloud marketplace, which means instead of relying on big companies, you can buy and sell computing resources from a global pool of providers. It's cheap, it's flexible, and it puts more powers in your hands. So let's dive in and explore how Akash is changing the cloud game. Alright, so now that you know a bit about what Akash Network is, let's talk about how you can actually use it through the Akash Console. The Akash Console is a web-based app that makes it super easy to deploy and manage applications on the Akash network. So you don't need to be a coding expert or mess with complicated command lines to get your apps up and running. Let me show you how simple it is. So here is what the Akash Console looks like. As you can see, it's clean, it's straightforward. And then from the dashboard you can view your current workloads, you can check their status, and you can manage deployments. So everything you need is right here at your fingertips. Now let's walk through deploying an application on Akash. You can see there's a big button, deploy button here, but in mind first you have to connect your wallets, and as you can see there are two wallets here, the Kepler and the Leap. So you can use whichever suits you, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to be making use of the Kepler wallet. But before then, let's check out some additional tools that makes Akash Console even easier to use. So first of all, we have the templates. Yes, so these are pre-configured setups for different types of apps. So if you're not sure where to start, you can just grab a template that fits your needs. So as you can see, there are different templates here, you can see. So probably for instance, let's pick games. You can see different types of games, and so you can check each of them, and whichever that suits you, you can make use of. So I also want to be talking about the SDL builder. Yes, so if you are a experienced programmer, or you know how to program, and then none of the templates suits the application you want to make, so you can come to the SDL builder, and then all you have to do is create a deploy YAML file, and then this file that you're creating, it helps you define things like how much CPU memory the application is going to take, and then the memory and storage you need for your application. So after you create the deploy YAML file, you can import it over here. You see, and you click the imports and you can add your file, but I don't have any deploy YAML file yet, so I can't add any. But so this is really simple. I'm very sure you can pre-navigate from here. So now what really makes Akash really cool is you can receive bids from different providers offering their computing resources. You can compare prices and select the one that fits your budget. Once you have chosen a provider, just hit deploy, and that's it. Your app is live without having to worry about setting up or managing any server. Isn't that really amazing, guys? So this is what the provider does. You have really cool bids from different providers. Another thing that makes Akash really stands out is its competitive pricing. So instead of paying a fixed price like with the traditional cloud providers, you can choose from different providers who bid for your business. So that means you are always getting the best deal possible, and the pricing is often up to 70% cheaper than the big names like the AWS and the Google Cloud. So I'm going to be talking about some few tips for common problems viewers or people that interact with the Akash Console may face, and how you can sort them out. So if you run into any issues while deploying your app, here are some couple of quick tips that you can use. So first of all, you have to double check your deploy YAML file to make sure that all the configurations are correct. And also, if the bits are not coming to your app or it's too slow to deploy, just try adjusting your pricing to make sure it is more competitive. And if you are ever stuck, the Akash community, yes, we have the Discord, the Telegram, their Twitter, they are always active to help you, so don't hesitate to reach out to them for support. So I'm gonna be, as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to deploy application on the Akash console. So let's get right into that right now. Now we are back to the interface of the Akash console. As I said earlier, it's looking so nice and very straightforward. So as I said earlier, you have to connect your wallet to the Akash network, and as I said, I'm going to be using the Kepler wallet. So this is the Kepler wallet requesting to connect wallet to the, so I just approve this, yes, and it's showing my wallet has been connected, and it's showing me that I have 0 active deployments. So why not, we should go right there and make a deployment. So I'll be making use of the templates, one of the templates from the Akash console. Let's try games. So we have a lot of applications, a lot of templates for games. We have Minecraft, we have Derricks, we have Pac-Man. So let's make use of Super Mario. You can use Super Mario, so let's make use of Tetris. So you can see it gives you a preview of what the game Tetris is, and then some are longer and then some are short, but you just read it. So I'm going ahead to deploy, so I just click this button, deploy, and then it shows you the file. So guys, to create a deployment on Akash console, you need at least 0.5 AKT to be able to deploy a fly. So it's called a deployment deposit. So if you don't have funds on your wallet, the wallet you have connected to your console, you have to deposit for your deployments, for the creation of your deployments to work. So as you can see, I have 1.3 AKT in my wallet, so it's definitely gonna work and I'm good to go. So all I need to do is create deployment and continue, and then just wait for approval on my so all you have to do is just approve, and then it's broadcasting the transaction, and then you see you have successfully deployed an application on the Akash network. So now currently you're going to select a provider, one that is suitable for you. So you can see, according to what I told you last time, you're gonna see this is the processor for the CPU. It's going to be showing you and then the storage, which application is taken, so you can all see here. So now I'm gonna pick one of this, say $1.3, okay, and then accept bid. So I have to just wait for the wallet. I think is the build network. So next thing I approve, and then it's broadcasting the transaction. So transaction is pending. As soon as it confirms the transaction, I have successfully gotten a provider for my application. So you can see the transaction was successful and my application is currently deploying. So you saying wait a second and it's deploying, and then yes, I have an application that has been deployed. You can see the deployment details. It's showing you that it is active, and then you see the time frame 27 days, and the cost is $1.3. so that's about deployment. So it's really simple. It's really nothing is really hard for you to get. As I said, it's a simple interface that you can just maneuver when you come here. So to wrap things up, the Akash Console makes deploying apps on centralized clouds incredibly easy. So to get your provider and then control your pricing and deploy apps faster, all while paying less than you would with traditional cloud performance. So if you are looking for a cloud service that is flexible, affordable and decentralized, Akash Network is the way to go. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you.